Okay, we're looking at 7AR 4.5. Problem number 1. It says, Jacob's family switched the shower head in their bathroom to a water-saving model to reduce water usage and save money. Their old shower head used 2.5 gallons per minute. That's a rate. Okay, rate. Their new shower head uses 40% less water per minute. For a 10-minute shower, how many gallons of water are saved by using the new shower head? So this problem begins with the unit rate, where the unit rate is our K. It's our constant of proportionality. And it must have a 1 in the denominator. So 2.5 gallons over 1 minute is our K. That's our K, our unit rate. And when we think about this, the unit rate can be put into an equation. Y equals Kx, where we have Y equals K is 2.5 times X. So that you have gallons equals 2.5 times minutes. Okay, so let's see the problem again. It says here, how many gallons of water are saved when the shower is 10 minutes? So for 10 minutes, I need to put my 10 into this equation so that I get Y equals 2.5 times 10. And that gives me 25 gallons. 25 gallons. So we have 25 gallons is the amount of water that comes out of the old shower head. So the old one produces 25 gallons or wastes 25 gallons. Now let's look at the 40% water per minute for the new one. So the new one, let's see, it's 40% less water per minute. So 40% less water is going to be let's picture a gallon. If I make 40% less water, okay, 40% less, it means I have to decrease by 40%. So the amount of water that's left inside my gallon is 60%. So we need to multiply our unit rate, which was 2.5 gallons. We need to multiply that by 0.60 so that we get our number of gallons for the new shower head, and that's going to be 1.5 gallons. That's how much water comes out of the new shower head. So we have 1.5 gallons per minute. It's our unit rate. And that means Let's zoom out here. That means my new shower head, let's see how much it spends, how much it wastes. It's going to depend on 1.5 gallons. So y equals 1.5 times x, which is 1.5 times 10 minutes, and that gives us 15 gallons. So 15 gallons. And finally, our answers, we're going to subtract them. 25 minus 15 gives us 10 gallons. Why do we subtract them? Because we're looking at how many gallons are saved by using the new shower head. So it's 10 gallons.